Fun with English. Let's wash our clothes. Hello, learners. Today we're diving into the world of everyday activities and focusing on household chores. Specifically, we're going to learn about washing clothes. So grab your detergent, it's laundry time. First things first, we need to understand the key vocabulary associated with washing clothes. Here are some words and phrases that you should know. Laundry, the general term for clothes, sheets, and towels that need to be washed or have just been washed. Washing machine, the appliance we use to clean our clothes. Detergent, the cleaning substance used in the washing process. Dirty, clothes that need to be washed are often described as dirty. Clean, clothes that have been washed and are free from dirt or stains are clean. Wash, the verb for the act of cleaning clothes. Dry, the act of removing water from clothes after washing. Fold, the act of bending clothes into a shape that allows them to be stored neatly. Iron, the process of removing wrinkles from clothes using heat. Now, let's see how these words are used in common sentences about washing clothes. I need to do the laundry. All my clothes are dirty. Can you please put the clothes in the washing machine? We ran out of detergent. Can you buy some more? The clothes are clean now. They just need to dry. Don't forget to fold the clothes after they dry. These clothes need to be ironed before I can wear them. In addition to the vocabulary and sentences, here are some useful expressions often used in the context of washing clothes. Sort out the laundry. This means to separate the laundry into different groups, usually by color. Hang up the clothes. This means to put the clothes on a clothesline or a hanger to dry. Put in a load of laundry. This means to start a cycle of the washing machine with a batch of clothes. Take out the laundry. This means to remove clothes from the washing machine after they have been washed. And that's a wrap for today. We hope this video was helpful in expanding your vocabulary and understanding of washing clothes in English. Remember, practicing these new terms and phrases will help cement them in your memory. Until next time, happy learning, and don't forget to sort out your laundry before you wash.